Hey everyone, welcome back. Justin here, and congratulations, you've just about wrapped up your unit on quadrilaterals. If you can remember, at the beginning of this unit, I showed you a video game task that my friend Jordan and I had to do. I described this image to you, and you tried to draw it to the best of your ability based on my description. It was not good. I did a bad job. But I now know a lot more about quadrilaterals than I did a few weeks ago, and so do you. In this video, we'll revisit that quadrilateral figure now that we have a better vocabulary and understanding of quadrilaterals. Then we'll talk about how you can best prepare for your upcoming unit assessment. Let's get into it. So, this is the image I tried to describe to you. Back then, I didn't know what any of these things were. Take a look at it now. Do you recognize any of these special quadrilaterals in it? I mean, I know that these two things on the left are parallelograms. That little thing underneath the triangle thing, I think I call that a diamond. But looking at it now, I think a more apt description would be a square. I mean, I need to use a ruler, but those sides look pretty congruent to me. And I also know now that it doesn't matter that it's on a bottom corner instead of on a bottom side. A square is a square, no matter how you move or rotate it. Now, this last part is a little trickier, but do you see how it's actually one of those concave kites? Yeah, take a look. These two adjacent sides are congruent, and those two adjacent sides are congruent. Man, I wish I knew this a few weeks ago. I'm gonna have to wait for my next video game competition to put my newfound knowledge to the test, but you get to show what you know in your upcoming unit assessment. As always, you can find a pre-assessment checklist with some great review activities in your notes template PDF. Make sure you go through each of those before you start the assessment. Now, you've learned a lot about quadrilaterals. So much so that all of those tests to prove which is what might have started to jumble together a little bit, and that is totally understandable. Make sure to take the time to create an organized notes sheet that goes over which tests apply to which quadrilaterals, and maybe one for each of their properties too. This will give you a good chance to organize those ideas both on paper and in your head so that you can go into the assessment feeling confident. Once you have gone through all of the pre-assessment review and you feel prepared, then it's time to take your unit assessment. Best of luck on that, and I will see you next time.